My name's Duncan, and I love fixing cars. And the highest volume of phone call and question we have is how much to fix my car and what's wrong with my car. So throughout the day our phones ring and it's people asking how much to fix my car and what's wrong with my car. So what we found is that a lot of people kind of find that they have a broken car. It probably came at the worst time, as it usually does. It's a financial difficulty usually for them. So they're really looking to protect their investment. They don't understand the mechanical side of it necessarily. And they're looking for some help is really usually what that phone call is about. Price is something that we're very aware of. We know it's expensive and we're real conscious of that. And we try and keep those costs as economical as we can. The main thing that people, when they call, what they're looking for is the proper diagnosis of their car so they're not wasting money doing repairs they don't need to do. And then, are they really looking for the least expensive or the cheapest shop? We found that usually they're not. Usually what they're looking for is a shop that can stand behind their work, that'll be there for them in 2 years, or a year later if they need another service, a shop that can warranty their service. That's really what we try and answer for them. And that seems to be the real question behind how much does it cost to fix my car. We're in a situation where we haven't seen the car usually. We don't know what's wrong with the car. Maybe a friend or a relative, or maybe they've done some research on the internet for what's wrong with my car. And sometimes that leads us in a good direction. It's not wasted time or effort. But a lot of times, when we get the car here, the story is totally different than what they thought on the phone. So for us to estimate what we're guessing the problem is usually not very effective. So, well, then that's the first step, is having an experienced, educated service advisor to engage with the customer, to really understand what are the customer's goals with their car, which is usually the second biggest investment that they make other than their home. So a lot of what we do is to do a very thorough inspection of the car, document all the services that are needed now, all the services that may be coming due, and then things that may be a problem in the future. And then when the customer comes to pick up the car or throughout the service, we try and educate the customer, slow the process down, really take the time so the customer understands what services we're doing. So we're real clear on what we did today for them with their car and what they can expect down the road. What services does a car need next week or next year? And things that we see are coming. For instance, if you have a low measurement of tread depth on your tires, we can tell you, hey, by next winter we want you to put a set of tires on this car. And it's good for a customer to know. It can be a pretty significant expense for tires, and they can budget that. So we can really kind of look into the future of what this car is going to cost. And customers, I found, just love that. They just love to be informed about their car, and they appreciate that. And it's been great for my business and great for the customer, and that's really what it's all about.
We have 3 locations: Duncan's Automotive in Lincoln, which is 185 Flocini Circle. Our Roseville location is 410 Sunrise Avenue. And our Citrus Heights location is 7366 Auburn Boulevard.